The 4 best fruits for weight loss. Here are 4 of the best fruits to eat for weight loss. 1. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is very low in calories and high in vitamins A and C. It may be a healthy snack before main meals to help reduce your overall food intake. 2. Apples. Apples are low in calories, high in fiber, and very filling. Studies indicate that they may support weight loss. 3. Berries. Berries are low in calories and contain many important vitamins. They also may have positive effects on cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and inflammation. 5. Passion fruit. Passion fruit is a low-calorie, high-fiber fruit that may benefit blood pressure and insulin sensitivity, potentially making it ideal for weight loss.